All right, so I believe we are live in five, four, three, two, and boom.
We
Yo, yo,
live.
yo, what is up, everybody? Oasis Trading Club back at it again. We got a good episode on this one. We're gonna go over a couple of things, Bitcoin being one of them, of course, Elon Musk, and stay tuned for the Forex pairs and the five crypto coins of the month. So my boy RJ is gonna start it off. Let him know what's popping with the coin market cap.
Man, what's going on, everybody? So, shit, what's going on with the coin market cap, man? We down 10% today. We got a total of 2.2 trillion in circulation, so it's not bad. And as we can see right now that Bitcoin is dumping, some altcoins have been holding. You know, like as we could see, Cardano was one of the ones that was able to have a 20% increase in the last 7 days. We have the top 10 right now, so we are a little bit in red. Everything's a little slaughterhouse right now.
Bleeding.
Yeah, man, everything's bleeding right now. But man, let's see what we've been having in the last 7 days though. Man, we had Raven, man, Polygon. Polygon's still up in profit though. You know what I'm saying? We have
Nice.
whoever who has Polygon. You still have Polygon?
Yeah,
Yup.
Hey, that was that boy Lewis, man. He caught that out. When was it? Last month.
bro, it's been ever since Polygon got listed on Coinbase. You know, whenever these coins get listed on Coinbase, they get the Coinbase effect, bro. They just go hella up. And Polygon's a good solid they're a good solid project, bro.
What price did it start off on Coinbase? Like 30 cents?
30, yeah.
Wow,
It
that's
came
like
out
a
like that.
five
I
X.
know for sure I got in at 32.
For all
Yeah.
the
Cardano
But
too.
but Polygon back in the day, bro, you could have got like Polygon was cheap. We're talking fractions of a penny. I think a 0.002, 0.005, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, so we have
So yeah.
Polygon right now. For all the meme coin lovers, we have Shiba Inu up there too as well. You know what I'm saying? We have One Harmony finally started jumping a little bit. So
Yeah, I saw it too.
let's see if One Harmony can come back in that retracement and hold Solana. We have Solana also at $45. So these are
Solana.
pretty good coins right now holding.
But
Uh,
on the first page that you were showing when everything was bleeding, you saw Cardano was actually up 20% right now when everything's bleeding.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
See, that's
Oh, in
the
man,
the
thing
seven
now.
days, yeah. And
Most of
now
these coins are surpassing Bitcoin now. Bitcoin is losing. I think Bitcoin right now is losing its dominance to some of these good solid projects, bro. What do y'all
oh
Man,
think?
yeah,
look at these top losers, man. Man, on these top losers, man. We got Pancake Swap in there, man. They're at down 35%. We have also Phantom, so these are good coins, man. You can always look into buying right now, now that the market cap is low. We have Filecoin also down to 98 when it was up at 150. So let's see if we can find some type of support pretty soon.
Hey, I see
Bitcoin Cash.
Telcoin. I see Telcoin right there, bro. Number 64. Telcoin's a good, solid, good project too. They're
yeah.
linked up with Chainlink. They just linked. I believe their rally happened because they linked up with Polygon, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Polygon made their transaction time way faster.
If you would have invested $1,000 in Polygon in January, you would have made, I think it was 220,000 or something like that. Whenever it rallied up to about 5 cents, so that's insane.
So right now in our portfolio, these are some of the May's picks. As so far right now, we have Doge still up for the month at 90%. We have Nano down 5% right now. But remember, guys,
Oh wow, Nano went down back to $9.
$9, yeah.
Holy
Man,
crap.
it was a
Nano,
lick, man.
what was Nano's high for the week? I know Nano was up
Hit
about 15, right?
15, yeah.
15,
Yeah.
We
bro.
have Chainlink down right now to 36. That's a big drop, We have Anchor also at 13 cents, and we have PancakeSwap. This is really the biggest L right now, which is at $25 as well. SafeMoon is still holding its ground right now.
Hey,
So
it's up 51%.
it's up 51%. So far this month, the best performer, Dogecoin. The worst performer right now is we have PancakeSwap.
Pancake.
PancakeSwap. but we'll be going over it to see where the bottom is. Just
And
real
remember,
quick.
they are for the month, so we got to see where they're at the end of the month.
Oh yeah, remember these swings they move so big. You know what I'm saying? We can't just predict it on one day. So right now, just a little quick news, you know what I'm saying, that I wanted to share with everybody was this Bitcoin news, So as we can see right now, Bitcoin's been bleeding. Our boy Robert had caught at that sell 2 days ago for 40K. So they see we hit that, we're on our way to 40K.
I think it just hit 42 not too long ago.
They see,
Couple of minutes.
So
Yeah,
one thing
42,500.
that I saw here was that I like to do this. Oh yeah, I saw this article. So you can see this article on Cointelegraph. So it says Bitcoin has been struggling to rise above the 50,000 mark, which could have resulted in traders dumping their Bitcoin positions to invest in altcoins. Glassnode data suggests that well addresses owning more than 1,000 BTC have reduced from about 2,500 in February to 2,100. If large investors continue to sell, Bitcoin could witness a sharp correction until institutional investors step in and buy at lower levels. While MicroStrategy announced the purchase of 271 Bitcoin on May 13th, man, 271 Bitcoin, that's a good that's still a good amount. May 13th, I think it was still above like 53, 54 3 days ago. So other extinct institutional investors appear to be adopting a wait and watch approach. In an interview with Financial News Square Chief Financial Officer, man, I ain't gonna say that name because I'm gonna say it wrong. At this point, the firm does not have any plans to add Bitcoin to its existing haul of roughly 8,027 Bitcoin purchased in October 2020 and February of this year. If other institutions also stay away from buying at current levels, Bitcoin's price is likely to slide further. However, Fundstrat Global Advisors managing partner Tom Lee believes Bitcoin's rally still has legs. Lee has increased his year-end Bitcoin target from 100,000 to 125,000, with action becoming coin-specific. Let's look at the top 5 crypto. So, that's just a little go on. Y'all could read that on y'all's own time, Cointelegraph. But, this what's going on right now. So we're going to see this week if institutions pick it up, decide to pick it up right now. As of right now, all we know that's bought in and major as well is MicroStrategy. So we got my boy Robert right now that's going to kind of break down Bitcoin, what's going on right now this week, what we'll have going on for this week. And then we got some more little news after that. Robert, you want to go ahead and start sharing?
Absolutely, man. What's up, guys? This is your boy Robert coming to you from OCT Live. And yeah, guys, so far this cryptocurrency market has been bleeding. We've been actually calling Bitcoin dropping since 50K. Make sure you guys are a part of our Telegram so you can get all the insights beforehand. But as you can see, ever since then, we've been dropping almost about, say, 750 pips since then, hitting our third target at 42,500. And I do expect for the week for Bitcoin to hit about 40K. And then once we hit 40K, we could see some strong buyers start coming in. But for now, I do anticipate for this bearish cycle to end at 40K. And one of the main reasons, well, we really don't know what caused this down move, but we do know fundamentally, or I guess what's trending right now is that pretty much Elon decided to share some of his they decided to stop accepting Bitcoin because of its mining and how it consumes a lot of electricity. And he pretty much wrote, Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emission of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has promising future, but this cannot come at a great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transaction as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. We're also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy transaction. So yeah, guys, I don't know, what do you guys think about that? It is kind of fishy to me because we've all known Bitcoin has a mining problem when it comes to consuming a lot of electricity.
Can
But
you
something
click on
that
that
has been
picture?
known.
Can you click on the picture you got right there where he put that energy usage trend? So what he's saying that it just that's how much Bitcoin is consuming at the moment.
Yeah, up over the past
Yeah,
few months.
Yeah.
over the past 4 years. And I want to say that's I don't know the abbreviation for that, but I know it's in watts, but I think that's a ton watt. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, guys, this is one of the reasons why Elon decided to, not continue to use Bitcoin because of what it's causing right now. And as you can see that, just blends in perfectly with the technical analysis. As I mentioned to you guys before on the group chat, 60K became that barrier for Bitcoin. And, since it couldn't break it, its next target was obviously 50K. But yeah, guys, it looks like we have entered a bearish cycle. Who knows, we might start hearing a lot more bearish news coming out for Bitcoin. Um, we can end up coming up all the way down to about 11,000 is where I'm predicting. But like I said, guys, this is only a cycle that Bitcoin could go through. Overall, long term, I see Bitcoin as a safe haven, which I think it's still going to hold its ground. It might not be used as a transaction, but the blockchain behind it is very unique, and that could be used as a safe haven. Also, another thing, the dollar, we have to keep in mind that it's becoming more weak, and inflation is hurting people's money. And inflation is obviously one of the biggest causes why Bitcoin has been going up because people don't want to lose, value in their money. But so far, guys, I think Bitcoin will start coming down. We might see it hit 40K. And then from there, depending on how the dollar looks, we might come back up to 50K. But yeah, so far, we're going all the way down.
Would you start buying that
And then
40K?
Ethereum, say it again.
Would you start buying that 40K?
Yeah, well, like I
40K.
said, we just have to wait at this point. It's a waiting game.
If it holds
You
its
just have to
ground,
work with
yeah.
what the market gives you.
Hell yeah.
So for Ethereum, Ethereum ended up peaking at about 42K. I'm sorry, not 42K, 4,200. And it has been trending bearish for the past 2 weeks. Now, as far as Ethereum, I wouldn't be selling it because we're still in a bullish environment. Um, the only downside about Ethereum is that they keep saying that they're coming out with Ethereum 2.0, which is going to pretty much work in Ethereum's favor as far as scalability. But they keep talking about it, and it hasn't been, they haven't really came up with it. So I think that could be a key fundamental start for a bearish market for Ethereum. But other than that, we just need to wait. We just need to wait on what they want to say about the Ethereum 2.0.
So the 2.0 that got released on Coinbase. I know it got released on Coinbase, but it still needs some work to it, right?
Yeah, they still need some more. I don't know if they released it on Coinbase. From what I know, it still hasn't been released. But yeah, I think that right there is gonna give every reason for Ethereum to enter a bearish cycle.
Can you go ahead and pull up Ethereum versus BTC? Okay, yeah, you're right. Because Ethereum 2.0 on Bitcoin, what it says is that you can't that once you stake your money on Ethereum 2.0, it can be unstaked until Ethereum 2.0 fully launches, which most experts estimate that will happen between 2022 and 2024.
Damn.
Yeah, so if you stake your money, y'all remember, guys, that you will not be able to withdraw your money till another year or two.
Yeah, that pretty much goes with some of these coins that you could actually stake. You got a locking period where you can't touch them because you got to lock them in. But that's, I think, staking these coins, if you're a long-term holder, why wouldn't you stake your coins? You know what I mean? That's residual income that you could actually have.
But you
if you're
gotta
gonna
know
be
there is
holding.
some risk to staking them that I didn't even know until I did more research. But
Yeah,
you
unless you're not trying to do like, you're not trying to mess with the software, because that's what it is, bro. Like if the software sees that you're trying to do something shady, then they'll take your they'll pretty much will kick you out of the, they'll take that whatever you're staking. But if you're just leaving it there, you're not doing nothing with the software, you're not trying to do anything, I don't think there should be a problem, because that's pretty much what it is.
No, there's something called irreparable loss or something like that. And if the market moves too fast or something like that, then there's since they're staked or whatever, there's a chance that you won't get like the full move or something like that, something. But I was just like, okay, what? Because dude was explaining that in some instances for some cryptos it's not worth it to stake them. It will give you more money to just hold them on the side. So I need to do a little bit more research. I am staking like on Harmony. I have 70% of them staked. And the only reason I took out those 30% was because of that, because it was like, okay, what do you mean? But I haven't noticed any difference in the amount that I had from the beginning and the amount that are there right now.
You know what
I
I'm
think
saying?
that's something that we should look into, and then next week we'll bring an update to all of y'all,
Definitely.
and
Yeah.
we'll see what we find on staking these coins, if it's safe, if it's worth it, or how much can we get, see if it's even worth it or not.
There's actually
the
a,
rest.
a podcast y'all can look back, and we actually went over staking. So there's a podcast, you should see something about staking on the title. But we actually went over how much I had invested and how much it was giving me, and we ended up fractioning out of $6,000. I was getting I don't know if you remember, RJ, but it was like $1.30, $1.40, or something like that.
On which one?
Hey, Mule, see you tomorrow. It was on Harmony. I was taking it on KuCoin, and it was giving me, I think it was like $1.40 a day,
Oh yeah, facts.
something
That's
like
not
that.
bad.
But see, the thing about the staking part is you're only really making money when you're in a bull market. You know what I'm saying? If it's coming down, you're only making like cents, bro, to the dollar. You know, that's the only.
Yeah, because it depends on how high let's say VeChain. It depends how high VeChain is on how much you're gonna get paid that day. So if the market had actually gone up, then those $1.40 would probably be a little bit more. But another thing is that I like about like ADA. I have my ADA staked as well, and what I like about it on BitTrue, they give me ADA. They don't just pay me to like stake it. They actually give me ADA in payout.
Oh,
So
dang, that's nice.
yeah. So then, I have ADA right there, just getting stacked up too. So if the price of ADA goes up or down, I have ADA too, and I'm getting paid.
Yeah, guys. So, man, we got those. Anybody got some coins, man? Y'all want to check out? You know what I'm saying? What's something?
If y'all have some, if y'all yourselves are staking some coins, let us know. We're
Yeah, put it
always
in the
open to
comments.
some things.
And where are y'all staking it, and how much they're paying you out there? Because each one pays out different. So
Yeah,
we
we would
let's
love
try
for
to
some
find
feedback.
out.
And Robert, you want to go ahead and
Find out which
put
is the best.
Nano? What happened with Nano? Let's see what happened with Nano.
All right, so Nano was one of the
Well,
5 coins that we had for the month, guys, and Nano just blew up. But damn, for real, what happened?
Nano's
back
a
down.
roller coaster right now.
Uh-huh.
Man, with that chart right there, bro, I don't even gotta look at it. I don't even gotta draw fibs. If y'all, I'm more of a fib trader, but right there, I bet you, where's that right now?
786.
That's the negative. That's the 786 level. I would buy that right now.
Yep.
Yeah, so Nano, Nano looks very, very bullish. It looks like one of those cryptos that is gonna pretty much, gain value instead of bleed like the rest of the crypto market. But yeah, like Lewis said, the 76% level, it does look very promising. If we bring it down to the 4-hour chart, we can see that we started to have somewhat consolidation around it. But yeah, this pattern right here, I mean, it tells you everything. If it holds again, it's gonna do it again. But yeah, and Nano looks very promising, guys. I would personally start buying. It looks good for more buying momentum. We could even see it hit, I'd say about $20 first take profit. But yeah, Nano looks very good. One that I do think looks pretty good as well is Link. As long as it holds above this 30, we're in that buyer's market. But anything below that, it might bleed as well with other cryptos. But really, guys, there is some cryptos that this
Like
month
Chainlink.
looks like they'll outperform instead of fall like the rest of the other cryptos that are falling right now. We go over Dogecoin right quick. Dogecoin has been holding above 50 cents. I do see it come up to about 42,500, and then we're having another push up. Dogecoin does look good for another push up because as you guys can remember, it broke this 40 cents resistance, turned into support, and we've had the first confirmation of a swing to the upside. So we're just waiting for that next confirmation for another swing. But I do see Dogecoin hitting its all-time highs at 76.
Especially with them adding it on Coinbase. Coinbase actually has verified
Right.
that it is getting added on there.
Y'all know when the drop day is at?
Not too sure, to be honest.
That's crazy.
Yeah, guys, buy
Insane.
Dogecoin. Dogecoin looks good.
It is no longer a meme coin. It is actually a way of a transaction.
What happened with Pancake Swap, my boy?
Man,
Pancake swap, as you can see, we were
I
expecting
lost a
a buy
rack.
at $30,
all them meme
and
coins going through it.
since $30, it couldn't hold above it. But we are at another area of buying sensitivity, which is about $25. So we'll see how it reacts there. We need some more buying volume. And if that buying volume does pick up, then for sure it'll hit at least $50. But yeah, guys, as Bitcoin bleeds, a lot of other cryptos bleed with it. You just have to spot the ones that have the most potential. And then let's
Anchor.
go over
Anchor.
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 Dang.
So yeah, guys, Anchor, it's holding its ground, as you can see, at this 61%. And it's been doing it for several days now. This is a very good indication of bullish momentum. Simply because we have the first wave here, and then we have the second wave here, but it was cut short. So it's a very good sign that buyers are coming in. You come up to the 4-hour chart, looks exactly like Link. We need that buying volume to increase, testing above this 15 cents level. And then from there, we will for sure break above all of these lower highs and easily hitting at least 17 cents and even 20 cents.
Yeah.
But yeah, Anchor, Dogecoin, I would personally start buying, as well as Link.
Everything looks real good. Start going back up.
And then last but not least, XRP.
XRP.
XRP, it's just that crypto that just literally is
Don't
stressing
die.
you out. There is a lot of pressure with XRP. You know, as we can see, I called a sell at about $1.50. I do see it hitting over here. I do see it hit this third touch of this trend line. But as you can see, we're in another flag pattern. We're in another squeeze, and just it has XRP has that reputation of you know, always having that flag pattern, but we
Yeah,
always know when
those
that
flags.
flag pattern breaks, it'll break with a good amount of percentage.
Oh,
But
if
yeah,
it
guys,
breaks,
I don't think
what
it's
do you see if
about
it
ready to
breaks?
break. I don't think it's ready to break right now, guys. I think it's gonna hit this trend line for the third time, and then from there it'll probably break up. But yeah, so far right now I'm predicting XRP to come well below 1.25 for the week. And then probably next week, you know, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, my
But yeah,
people,
so
that's what.
far it just looks pretty bearish.
But yeah, man, we're gonna keep y'all updated this week. See how these cryptos are doing. On our Telegram, we will be posting up other coins that we have been looking at, as in VThor, One Harmony. Y'all seen One Harmony? One Harmony right now is starting to make a little jump up again. We're gonna see if it can hold support right now. We also got we got a couple more coins jumping right now, so we will be posting that on OTC cryptos. And I think, man, this is it for cryptos, unless y'all want to add a little bit more sauce to it.
I just want to add, like, if y'all have any questions or if y'all have anything, just go ahead and give us some, ask some questions, write some questions on the Telegram, see how we did. We're always open to some feedback, guys.
So what happened with Elon and Chainlink CEO going at it?
Yeah, so it was just a discussion they had got and I had seen earlier. I was trying to look for it on Twitter. If anybody can find it, go ahead and send us the picture.
They took it off.
Yeah, man. So pretty much, you know, they were just going at it about the consumption of, you know, Bitcoin, what's going on with Bitcoin, you know. So he was kind of explaining to him how, you know, the dollar consumes more than Bitcoin. So right now it's just a big war going on. How can Bitcoin get more, you know, less fossil fuel dependent, you know?
Yeah,
Mhm.
everybody's trying to
Efficient.
find out what coin he's gonna start using next. Elon Musk, what coin he's gonna adopt instead of Bitcoin, and whichever one he does, you already know people are gonna go
I don't know.
crazy.
I don't think
You
my
don't think
boy. I
he
don't.
already adopted Dogecoin? You don't think he already adopted Dogecoin?
Well, I don't think. I
He
don't think he
hasn't
knows
really.
about. I don't think he knows about XRP. We should put him on.
Hey, you gotta hit him
XRP is
up
the
on Twitter,
fastest
man.
one. Like,
That's
that's
true.
what I don't understand, how Dogecoin is gonna go get listed on Coinbase, but XRP hasn't been. Is not gonna get listed. XRP has a fast transaction of 3 seconds, which Dogecoin, I think, is like 5 minutes, and
Well,
XRP is way cheaper too.
man, we gonna see,
Well, I think
because
it has more to do with like XRP being centralized.
yeah,
Hmm.
They want to use that more as like a cross-border payment type thing.
because
The
my
big boys.
understanding about XRP is that all their
Yeah,
tokens already been mined. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, you can't mine XRP. Yeah,
Yeah, of course.
yeah, they control the supplies. That's what makes it centralized.
like, yeah.
So for sure, we're gonna see that. If man, we're gonna see. Look, he hasn't tweeted nothing in 3 days. You know, when he tweets, the markets move. So, you know, let's see what's going on here pretty soon. So
I don't know. What do y'all think, guys? Who should Elon just stick to inventing things, or just stay out of the crypto market, or should he just continue like Trump
I
back in the
mean,
days
don't get me
tweeting?
wrong, you know, he knows what he's talking
damn.
Yeah,
about.
That boy should just like leave this alone.
making ripples throughout the Forex and crypto markets. Man, so we're gonna go over some Forex pairs right now. I'm gonna go over Euro CAD. That is the trade that I have for the week. I am very, very, very bullish on it. The reason why I'm so bullish because of this daily divergence, and if you put it on the 4 hours, it also has been diverging, getting ready to just take off. Um, wish I would have caught it down here, but there's so many pairs to look at. It's all good because now I have seen the next step that had to be confirmed, and it has done it. So now that we have broken out and we are retouching, the entry is right there. And we have a 35 pip stop loss on this. We are taking it up to 250 pip target. And you're looking at 149,500. So 30 pips, 35 pip stop loss is gonna be down here at price of 146,650. All right, and entry is exactly where it's at right now at 147,010. So it looks really good in my point of view. We are about to take off on this. Um, yep. So EuroCAD, just keep an eye on this for the buy, and we'll see if our daily divergence goes and completes. It should take a couple of days to reach the target. Might reach it this week, might reach it the next week if it doesn't reach it this week. So pretty much all the euro pairs are doing something good, but some of them are actually going down. Most of them are going up, but some of them are going down. So just look for buys on most of the euro pairs. But this is gonna be a beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. I see about an 85-90% for sure on this trade. I don't know how I would say it, but I see that it's gonna happen about 85 to 90% for sure on this trade. So we'll see how it does, and even if it goes and breaks out and retouches this trend line, I would put another position in, me personally, with the same stop loss. So we'll see what happens. That's all I got for Forex on this podcast. So EuroCAD, check out the buy for the week. I'm gonna pass it on and see what other pairs the team got over here. We got some fire this week, guys. Don't sleep on these calls.
Yes, sir. Louis, you want to go over the CAD JPY?
Yeah, I have my mic mute. All right, I got CAD JPY. This right here. I actually gave that a sell signal on Friday. I'm not sure if it was Friday or Tuesday, but the sell was at 90.500, and this thing hit right on point. And right now, where the market, well, it's been going down. I actually left this trade open over the weekend, and right now I just went back in as a re-entry on CAD JPY at 90 to 50. I just went back in. So as long as this thing right here doesn't go past above 90.365, I mean 363, we should be good. But if it does, this thing will probably go up to our entry point at 95, touching this trend line right here, and then continuing to drop. But I think it's already, I got this trend line right here. It already crossed it. I mean, it already broke the trend line. It retested again. Let me get rid of this, just on the way. So as you see, it broke it, retest, and now I believe this thing is gonna keep going down. And as you see right here, this watermark, I am taking it down to 88,200. I'm sorry, 88,500, just to be a for sure or a safe target right there. So yeah, so right here, if you actually go in at 95, 90, 250, let's see how much 92.50, which is right now. I always try to keep like a 30 to 35 pip stop loss. So at 90, 96, 9600 will be your stop loss right there. If you go in at 92.50. But then again, this thing, I don't see this thing going over 93.63. And just pretty simple on this one. I'm just taking it back down to see if we could retest somewhere around these levels right here. This one. And for sure this one right here. Come back down at 88,500. This is a swing trade, guys. So this is gonna take quite some. We are in the. I was marking this up in the daily chart, so this is gonna be quite some time. And throughout the week, for sure, we're gonna get some pullbacks. We're gonna drop down, get some pullbacks, but those pullbacks are gonna be re-entries, and I will keep updating throughout the week on this trade right here, because we have an entry at 9,500, a second one at 9,200. This thing could drop another 50 pips and retrace back up somewhere around 990. And then right here, we'll have another entry or just keep going down until we reach our target at 88,500, guys. For sure, I'll keep updating y'all on this trade, how it goes on the week. Or it might take a full week, or it might take a couple of days, but no matter what, 88,500, that's going to be our target. That's pretty much all I got on CAT JPY. CAT JPY, we're selling it. Last week entry, 9,500. And right now, if you want to get actually in the trade, 90,250 is the entry price right now for this one. And that's what I got, bro.
Alrighty. All right, guys. So last but not least, I'm gonna go over Euro USD, and then we're gonna end the group chat, or we'll have like another 5-minute window, just a free open topic. So with Euro USD, there's one of those trades that we called out a buy Friday, and you've been up in profit about 36 pips. I do see Euro USD coming all the way up to about 1.225, and that could possibly take throughout the whole week. And one of the reasons why I see it coming up that high is because if we go to the weekly chart, we can see that price did build resistance at 1.225, but since then, these buyers have been coming in and just putting pressure on all the resistance that has been forming since then. Plus, if you look at the dollar, it's been trading pretty bearish. I do expect the dollar to hit about the 80 level. So the correlation with Euro USD is the euro's going up. But yeah, I do see the euro coming up. As long as it respects the 61%. And if we bring it down to a lower time frame, we bring it down to the 4-hour time frame. We're just waiting for that support to build one more time and go in again for another entry and just ride it all the way to about 1.225. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much what we have as far as the Forex pairs. Make sure you guys are on the group chat to stay updated on any other any updates we have as far as these charts. But yeah, guys, you guys want to add anything else?
That boy Mario. Like, calladito el Mario.
I think he's on today.
Yeah, I don't think he's on.
Nah, he was on. He dipped out. Come on, Mario. I guess he was like, they're doing their little live or something. That's what dipped out.
Mario had us for the day off today, I think.
Yeah, he hopped on for a quick second.
Yeah, guys, throughout the week, well, one thing that Robert's been doing, he's been actually making like 1 or 2 minute videos. He's explaining his trades he's taking. For sure, we need this week we're gonna get on that as well. Like I said, that catch APY for the re-entries, or if anything, if I see anything that this thing can turn to a bullish momentum, for sure make a quick video on that. Jay, I think, bro, we should do that. I mean, with a EuroCAD and the trades that we're actually taking on these. What do y'all think?
Yeah, that's for sure. But I mean, anything else you want to add on the Webby? Or anything any topics you want to talk about before we end it, or
I think that's it.
the
my
live?
boys.
All right, well, that's pretty much it then. You know, it was a fire podcast. I'm gonna put everything on the links down below so that y'all can follow the Telegram. Stay tuned with everything on there, the Discord, and yeah, guys, don't miss out because there's some fire being posted every week. We got some fire signals and we got some fire nuggets. And one more thing though, we're not financial advisors, so you know the rest. Don't do anything too crazy. And that's pretty much it, guys. Don't do anything too crazy, you know, that you're gonna regret. There is some fire being spit right here, but always do your own research and don't spend more than you can lose on these investments. That being said, guys, Oasis Trading Club, we are about to end this podcast. Let me pull this back out. Let me see. Let me see how I do this.